The Hyatt Regency Miami sits right in the heart of downtown, with the river on one side, bay views just minutes away, and the Miami skyline putting on a full show around you. We stayed here pre-cruise, and on paper, this looked like one of the easiest, most convenient options in the city. But after checking in, we realized there's more to this hotel than just location. In this video, we're covering the full room review, the river views, a walk over to the bay, the city skyline views, the buffet breakfast, nearby food options, pool and hotel amenities, iconic architecture nearby, and so much more. As we go along, we'll be rating our experiences in each section so you can get a clear sense of how this hotel stacks up. If you're thinking about booking, especially before a cruise, come with us as we show you exactly what to expect. The lobby immediately sets a bright open tone that feels very in step with downtown Miami. There's a polished business meets vacation energy here, but it still feels relaxed enough to start your day on the right note. Check-in moved quickly, which after a travel day always feels like a small win. One thing we really like is how the hotel flows naturally toward the Riverwalk. The room immediately gives calm, settled energy, like it understands you came to Miami to enjoy yourself. The space feels clean, modern, and easy on the eyes, nothing over-designed, nothing distracted. Just comfortable in a very practical way. You're getting a cozy, inviting bed, plenty of natural light, a proper work desk, coffee station for slow mornings, and good storage space. And listen, the bed, soft in dangerous ways that makes you consider cancelling your morning plans. This is the kind of room that works whether you're here for business vacation or a quick Miami escape. But the real mood setter is waiting by the window. Pull back the curtains and Miami starts doing what Miami does. From the room, the view stretches across the downtown skyline, the Miami River, and boats gliding through the water. There's movement and energy, but it still feels relaxing to watch. The bathroom keeps things simple and functional. It's clean, well lit, and everything is exactly where you expect it to be. You've got a shower/tub combo, lots of counter space, essential toiletries, and while it's not giving luxury spa, it's practical and well maintained, which honestly is what most travelers need when getting ready to head out. One of the quiet highlights of the stay sits right outside. The Miami River moves slowly alongside the hotel, creating a calm pocket in the middle of downtown. Between the boats and the breeze and the water views, this area adds real charm to the stay. The pool area leans more towards relaxed than resort flashy, and honestly that works here. It's a comfortable spot to cool off, reset after exploring, and enjoy a quieter break in the city. Think calm city space, not party pool energy. The buffet breakfast gives you a solid, dependable start to the day with eggs, breakfast meats, pastries, fresh fruit, coffee and juices. Nothing wildly extravagant, but everything was fresh, hot, and satisfying. It's convenient and reliable, especially if you want to eat quickly before heading out. If you want another option besides the Riverwalk Cafe, the market is super close for grab-and-go snacks. Or you can enjoy a quick 7-minute walk to Bastille, downtown Miami for breakfast. Perfect for that cute French cafe morning. Think flaky pastries, proper coffee, light breakfast options. It's an easy little upgrade when you want something outside the hotel. When evening rolls around and you want more energy, a short drive takes you to Lincoln Road in Miami Beach. Here, you'll find tons of restaurants, outdoor dining, lively Miami energy vibes, and it's an easy way to turn your stay into a full night out. Keep an eye on the skyline for the striking Aston Martin Residences building. It's one of those architectural moments that instantly catches your attention. And don't forget, the bayfront is just a short walk away if you want those wide, breezy Miami water views. So is the Hyatt Regency Miami worth it, especially for pre-cruise stay? If you want prime downtown location, comfortable, reliable rooms, easy Riverwalk access, solid breakfast, food options all around you, then yes, this hotel makes a lot of sense. It may not be ultra luxury, but it absolutely delivers where it counts.